So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to first of all go to your phone menu and try to search for Google Play Store. So when you find Google Play Store, just tap on it to open it. When you tap on it to open it, you just have to search for Gangster Vegas. So when you find your Gangster Vegas, what you have to do is to just restart it. So after restarting it, what you have to do next is to go to your phone settings and try to search for your Gangster Vegas. So when you find your Gangster Vegas, what you have to do is to just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Tap on app info, tap on notification when you get in. Then after that, make sure all these notifications are all allowed and turned on. So after that, tap on the storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. Go back, tap on the force stop, tap on OK, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is turned on. After doing all this, what you have to do is to just clear it like this and go to your phone menu again and try to set for your phone settings. Just tap on it, then you tap on SIM card and mobile network. Then after that, select the network type. Now tap on preferred network type. Then after that, select 2G/3G/4G02. So after selecting it, what you have to do is to restart your device. So just tap on the power button for some while. Then after that, restart or reboot your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.